Good morning, students. Today we start new chapter number 12, Heron's formula. This formula is used to find the area of triangle. For this, first we find the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter is denoted by 2s, which is equals to the sum of the three sides of the triangle. And S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is the semi-perimeter. And area of triangle is S. S means A, S means B, S means C. This is the formula for area of triangle. In exercise 12.1, the question number 1 is, statement is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. This means there is an equilateral triangle. As we know, the sides of equilateral triangle are always same. So each side of equilateral triangle is A. Find the area of this signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be its area? First we find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. So, for equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. This means S is 3A upon 2. And area is S. S means A, S means B, S means C. So we put the value of S, which is 3A upon 2, 3A upon 2, 3A upon 2. B is also A. This is 3A upon 2 means A. When we solve this is equals to 3A upon 2. This is 2A, 3A means 2A is A upon 2. This is A upon 2. A upon 2. So this is equals to square root of 3 A power 4 by 16. This is under root 3 upon 4 A square. This is the area of this signal board. And we are also given the perimeter, which is 2S. 2S is 180. So 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. This is 180. All the sides are equals. So 180 is equal to 3A. A is 60 centimeters. So area is under root 3 upon 4, 60 square. This is 3 upon 4, 60 into 60. This cancel out. So this is 900 under root 3 centimeter square is the area of this signboard. In question number 2, the statement is, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are, first side is 122, second is 22 centimeter, and third one is 120 centimeter. The walls are these and these. The advertisement is earning Rs 500 per year. This means for advertising this board, the cost is 5,000 per year. We are required to find the rent for 3 months. So first we find S, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. So S is 122 plus 22 plus 122 upon 2, which is 264 divided by 2, which is 132 centimeter. And its area is S. S is 132. S means A, which is 122. S means B, which is 22. And S means C, which is 120. So this is 132, this is 10, this is 110, and and this is 12. We write this as 11 into 12. This is 10. This is 11 into 10. This is 12. This is outside the root, and 11 is also, 10 is also. This becomes 12, 132 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangular roof. Cost of 1 meter square per year. Per year cost is rupees 5,000, and cost of 1 meter square per month is 5,000 divided by 12. For 3 month cost of 1 meter square is 5,000 divided by 12 into 3. This cancel out, so this becomes 1250 rupees. For 1320 meter square, the cost is 1250 into 1320 rupees. 132 into 125. This is 10, 16. This is 6, 4, 6, 2. This is 2, 3, 1. So this is 0, 0, 12, 15. This is 6, 1. So cost is 6, 165, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the cost of for advertising book. In question number 3, in third question, the statement is there is a slide in a park. There is a slide in a park. One of its sidewalks have been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are, the first side is 15 centimeter, the second side is 11, third side is 6. Find the area painted in colors. So for this, first we find S, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. This is 32 upon 2, which is 16. So semi-perimeter is 16 meter. For area, square root of S is 16, S means A, 16 means 15, S means B, 16 means 11, S means C, 16 means 6. So this is 16 into 1 into 5. This is 10, which is 2 into 5. Square root of this is 4, this 5 into under root 2. So 20 root 2 meter square is the area of this to be painted. In the next question, question number 4, the question is find the area of triangle, two sides of which are, first side is 18, second side is 10, and its perimeter is 2s, which is 42. So 2s equals to A plus B plus C. This is 42. A is 18 plus 10 plus C. So this is 42. Mass 28 equal to C. C is 14. So area of this triangle is, for area, first we write S. S means A, S means B, S means C. Here 2S is 42. So S is 21. 21 means A, 21 means B, and third is 21 means C. So this is 21, this is 21 minus 18 3, this is 11 and this is 7. So we write this as 3 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 7. This is 7 into 3 root 11. So 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. In question number 5th, the statement is sides of triangle are in the ratio. Ratio, this means first triangle is 12x, second is 17, third is 25x, and its perimeter is 540. So perimeter is 540. We first write 2s is a plus b plus c. 540. A is 12x, b is 70, c is 25. So this is 540, this is 12 plus this 54x, so x is 10. And the first side A is 12 into 10, which is 120. Side B is 17 into 10, 170. Side C is 25 into 10, which is 250 centimeter. These are the three sides, and we are required to find its area. For area, we apply Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is for area, this is S means A, S means B, S means C. Here 2S is 540, so S is 270. This is 270. 270 means A, which is 120. 270 means B, 170. 270 means C, this is 250. So this is 270. When we subtract this is 150. This is again 100. This is 20. When we write this is 9 into 3 into 10. This is 3 into 5 into 10. This is 10 into 10. This is 2 into 10. So square root of this 9 is 3. Square root of this 9 is 3. This is also 3. And this is 10. This is also 10. And remaining is 5 into 2. 10 is 5 into 2. So this is 9 into 100. 5 into 2. So this is 9, 545 into 2. 900 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. In last question of exercise, the statement is, in question number 6, the statement is, question number 6, an isosceles triangle has perimeter. Perimeter is 2s, which is 30, and each of the equal sides. This means A is equal to B is equal to 12. We are required to find the area. First, 2s is A plus B plus C. This is 30. A is 12. B is 12 plus C. So C is 6 centimeter. This is the third side, and its area is. First S. S is 15. S means A, which is 12. S means B, which is again 12. S means C, which is 6. So this is 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. This is 3. this is 9, this is root 15. So 27 into root 15 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Thanks.